Curious about turning passion into profit in the fashion world? Discover how entrepreneurs transform their creative ideas into successful business ventures and gain insights into these steps. Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel Vandana Fashion Expert, where we not only keep you in the loop with the latest fashion trends but also empower you to take charge of your fashion dreams. I am Vandana Evanna and today we are delving into the world of entrepreneurship. Get ready for some inspiring strategies and tips to ignite that entrepreneurship fire within you. First one is creative risk taking. Successful entrepreneurs in fashion aren't afraid to take creative risks, whether it's experimenting with designs or pioneering new trends. Embracing the unknown is key to success. Second is adaptability. Fashion is ever evolving, and so should you be. The ability to adapt to changing trends and customer preferences is a hallmark of an entrepreneurial spirit. Third is set clear goals. Define your fashion aspirations, whether it's launching your own brand or becoming a sought after stylist. Having clear goals keeps you focused. Fourth is continuous learning. Fashion is an ever changing landscape. Stay on top of the industry trends, attend workshops, and never stop learning. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Fifth is networking. Network. Connect with fellow fashion enthusiasts, designers, and industry professions. Building a strong network opens doors and creates opportunities you might never have imagined. Sixth is market research. Conduct through market research on a regular basis. Analyze customer behavior, study competitors, and stay informed about the latest trends. This knowledge will guide your design decisions and help you create products that meet market needs. Seventh is brand building. Develop a cohesive and memorable brand identity. Clearly define your brand's values, aesthetics, and target audience. Consistency in branding across all touchpoints from your logo to your social media presence contributes to brand recognition and customer loyalty. And last but not least, customer engagement. Prioritize customer engagement and feedback. Actively communicate with your audience through social media, surveys, and other channels. Use customer insights to refine your designs, improve customer satisfaction, and build a loyal customer base. And there you have it, fashion entrepreneurs. Remember, the road to success in the fashion industry is paved with passion, resilience, and an unwavering entrepreneurial mindset. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and until next time, stay fabulous. Bye.